60 LEDs and a UV bulb? Can this be used as a blacklight for your bedroom? In this video, we'll find out. Let's go! Okay, so this UV bulb is made by Romwish. It features 15 watt efficient energy saving with 60 ultraviolet LEDs with a lifespan of 50,000 hours. The wavelength on this UV bulb is 385 nanometers to 400 nanometers. It is also universal voltage of 85 to 265 volts. The warranty on this is 1 year. It comes with a 16-foot power cord with an on and off switch, and attached is an E26 socket, so install is pretty easy. Just screw it in and power it on. You can also use this UV bulb in any E26 socket. Pretty much any standard bulb socket will work for this. So if you plan on lighting up your bedroom and have a lamp fan, it's an easy install. Bathroom install? Not sure why you would want to do that, but you sure can. This UV bulb also isn't dimmable, so keep that in mind. If you're installing it on a dimmable socket, it'll ruin the lifespan on the LEDs or even blow them out. If you have any questions about what bulb socket will work, please comment below and I'll definitely try and help you out. So this is one UV bulb hanging above me. How is the beam spread from hanging up top? We gotta check that out. You might want to have a directional from the corner so you can get a wider spread to cover the room. Unless you have UV material on the ground for like a dance floor, then hanging from up top makes a lot of sense. Let's see what kind of throw distance this UV bulb has. This is about 20 feet away. This UV bulb is great for UV reactive paint and very convenient. Just screw it into a desk lamp and get your paint on. It'll charge up your phosphorescent glow-in-the-dark paint as well. Do you need UV for your UV fluorescent posters that are hanging on your wall? I'm about 10 feet away from my UV posters. It sure does get the job done. I know a lot of haunted house mazes use UV bulbs for their attractions because they're small and they can tuck them away. A lot of Halloween props already react to a blacklight, but if they don't, you can just add some UV paint to just about anything. So, what would you use this UV blacklight bulb for? Please comment your ideas down below. If you're looking for more blacklight bulb videos, check out this video over here. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and hit that bell notification for future blacklight content. Thank you for watching. Mahalo!